Good evening everyone, and welcome to the CINFIN Securities Day and Market Roundup for July 27, 2026. The Colombo Stock Exchange ended today's trading session on a positive note, with both the benchmark indices recording modest gains. The All-Share Price Index, ASPI, gained 14.48 points, or 0.07%, to close at 21,187.22. Meanwhile, the S&P SL 20 index, which tracks the performance of the 20 largest and most liquid companies, increased by 6.18 points, or 0.1%, to end the day at 5,948.74. Overall, the market maintained a slightly bullish sentiment, with buying interest helping both indices close in positive territory. Moving on to today's market activity. The total market turnover for the day amounted to LKR 2.07 billion, indicating healthy trading activity in the market. Out of the total turnover, crossing transactions contributed LKR 1.04 billion, accounting for a significant share of the day's trading. The highest turnover was recorded by John Keells Holdings plc, followed by Hatton National Bank plc, reflecting strong investor interest in these counters. Meanwhile, the total market capitalization of the Colombo Stock Exchange stood at LKR 7,706.69 billion at the close of trading. Let's now look at today's investor participation. On the buying side, domestic investors accounted for 1,995.03 million rupees, representing 96% of total purchases. Meanwhile, foreign investors contributed 75.88 million rupees, accounting for the remaining 4%. On the selling side, domestic sales amounted to 2,010.71 million rupees, making up 97% of total sales, while foreign sales stood at 60.20 million rupees, representing 3%. Overall, domestic investors continued to dominate market activity, while foreign investors recorded a net inflow of approximately 15.68 million rupees, as foreign purchases exceeded foreign sales. Let's now take a look at the top gainers for today's trading session. Leading the list was Cargo Boat Development Company plc. It was followed by Tallawakal Tea Estates plc. Palm Garden Hotels plc also recorded a strong gain during the session. Bhagawantalawa Tea Estates plc was among the day's top performers. Rounding out the top 5 gainers was PMF Finance plc. Now, let's take a look at the top losing stocks for today's trading session. Leading the list of losers was Industrial Asphalts, Ceylon, plc. It was followed by Equity 2 plc. Lankum Ceylon plc also ended the day among the top losers. Melwat Valley Plantation plc recorded a decline during today's session. Rounding out the top 5 losers was the Lighthouse Hotel plc. Let's now look at the top positive contributors to the All-Share Price Index for today's session. John Keells Holdings plc was the largest positive contributor to the ASPI. It was followed by Dialog Axiata plc and Aitken Spence plc. Hatton National Bank plc also made a positive contribution to the index. Completing the top 5 was ACL Cables plc. Finally, let's look at the top negative contributors to the All-Share Price Index for today's trading session. Carson Cumberbatch plc was the largest negative contributor to the ASPI. It was followed by PGP Glass Ceylon plc and Hamas Holdings plc. National Development Bank plc also weighed on the index during the session. Rounding out the top 5 negative contributors was Melstacorp plc. That concludes today's CINFIN Securities Day and Market Roundup. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back with more updates in the next trading session. Have a great evening.